the boundless expanse of existence lies the incredible power of human potential. Each one of us carries within us the seeds of brilliance and greatness, waiting to be nurtured and unleashed. So, my friend, let me remind you once again, your potential knows no limits. Every great accomplishment had its beginnings in a simple moment of courage. It's in those moments where you choose to pursue your passions and expand your horizons that you begin to tap into the immense reservoir of potential that resides within you. It is when faced with adversity and uncertainty that our true potential emerges. Our capacity to push through challenges, to believe in ourselves when no one else does, is what sets us apart. Take a leap of faith, my friend. For your potential is not defined by the obstacles in your path, but by your unwavering determination to overcome them. Remember, your potential extends far beyond personal gain. It manifests in the positive impact you create in the lives of others. Each small act of kindness, each moment of inspiration, becomes a thread in the tapestry of collective human potential. We are not meant to tread this path alone, dear friend. The strength of our potential blossoms when we come together, sharing our knowledge, supporting one another, and lifting each other up. Together, we can accomplish incredible feats and create a world where limitations cease to exist. Dare to envision a life unrestrained by fears and self-imposed limitations. Allow your dreams to ignite passion within you, fueling the fire of your potential. Embrace uncertainty, for within the unknown lies the possibility of boundless growth and transformation. And so, my dear friend, I urge you to stride forward with purpose and conviction. Cherish the blossoming of your potential, nurture it, and watch as it flourishes beyond your wildest imagination. Embrace the journey, for your potential is infinite, and the world awaits the beauty you have yet to unveil.